Hey, it's the Beard here. Thanks for tuning in again. In this video, I investigate a USB fault on a Dell E5570 laptop. The customer, Dell Limited, was in need of a laptop, and as they are big supporters of repairing and reusing, I sourced this laptop as spares or repairs on eBay for them. Enjoy. So this little IC I'm checking here is a MOSFET. It's the SY6288 IC, and that's responsible for powering the USB ports. It also has an overcurrent part of it, which I initially thought could have been the problem. Perhaps there was something internally wrong that was causing it to overpower and then causing the USB ports to shut down, and that's why they weren't working. So here's me checking the voltages on this little IC. What I expect to see here is on pin 4 I should get voltage. On this one I'm getting 3.3 volts, so that's correct, so that's enabling the IC. On pin 5 I should get 5 volts in, and then that should be allowed to pass from the in pin to the out pin, which is pin 1, which then goes to the USB port. I've got enable, I've got 5 volts in, so I should get 5 volts out. I don't think I have footage of me checking this though. Now I also missed something very important here, and this gives the whole idea of having a visual inspection first of the board before actually checking anything so much more meaning. I'll show you as we move along.